Welcome to the best picks. The best inflatable patch kit is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone who owns inflatable products, from air mattresses and pool floats to inflatable kayaks and camping gear. This handy kit can save your fun in the sun, your comfortable sleep, or your next outdoor adventure, turning a frustrating leak into a quick and easy fix, getting you back to enjoying your inflatable in no time. This video will show you exactly what to look for when choosing the best inflatable patch repair kit for your needs. Number 5. Airhead Airhead Vinyl Repair Kit. Say goodbye to tears and holes in your vinyl items. This kit makes repairs quick and easy, extending the life of your gear. It's incredibly simple to use. Just peel and stick the patch onto the damaged area for a strong, lasting repair. From tents and awnings to air mattresses and pool liners, it's the ultimate solution for all your vinyl repair needs. You'll receive various sized patches, reinforcement filament, and alcohol prep pads for a complete repair solution. For over 30 years, we've been dedicated to providing high-quality products that help families enjoy outdoor adventures. Don't throw away your favorite vinyl items. With Airhead, you can easily repair them and keep the fun going. What we like. It's incredibly easy to apply, peel and stick. It comes with various patch sizes to suit any tear. Plus, a reinforcement filament ensures extra durability for those tough repairs. If you need a quick, reliable fix for your inflatable toys or gear, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The Airhead Vinyl Repair Kit works wonderfully on inflatable beds. It provides a quick and easy solution for patching up any punctures or tears. The clear patch is durable and blends in seamlessly with the surface, ensuring a neat and effective repair. This product seems to work well. Seems to be holding up well over the last month. Rain, storms, heat and wind aren't affecting it. I cut a patch and installed per instructions. The booster ball lasted the rest of the season. I expect to be good for next year as well. Number 4. Boat Cover Repair Tape. It's heavy-duty and highly effective for repairing rips and tears in a variety of materials. Use it on your awning, tent, or even your boat cover for a quick and easy fix. This waterproof patch stands up to heat and sun, creating a watertight seal that resists the elements. It's perfect for outdoor use on canvas, vinyl, or other fabrics. It's easy to use and will flex with the material, making it ideal for quick repairs. It's also tear-resistant, ensuring a long-lasting fix. The clear tape is highly versatile and adheres to many materials, including tarpaulin, vinyl, upholstery, and leather. It blends seamlessly into the material for an invisible repair. As a family-owned American business, we're committed to premium quality. We stand behind our products and your satisfaction with this repair tape. What we like. This tape is waterproof and weather-resistant, perfect for outdoor gear. Its heavy-duty construction handles tough repairs on various materials. It's incredibly versatile, making it ideal for a wide range of applications. If you're looking for a durable, all-purpose solution for your outdoor equipment, this is it. What people say. My camper awning tore about 18 inches across the connection point to the camper. I applied the tape on both sides of the awning and it works great. Make sure you clean the area, both sides, very well. After cleaning, I wiped the areas down with alcohol and allowed it to dry completely before applying the tape. The tape has held up during storms, 100-degree heat, and frequent opening and closings. I bought white to match the underside of my awning. Had a few little tears starting, so wanted to patch them up before getting worse. Prepped the surface on both sides and applied the repair tape. Went on with no issues. Very sticky, so hope in the long run it will hold up. I used this tape on my RV awning that had cracked and peeled. It is quite sticky and covered the spot very well. So far it looks great. Number 3. Airhead Vinyl Repair Kit. Say goodbye to frustrating holes and tears. This kit provides a simple, easy way to repair your vinyl items, creating a strong, lasting bond. It's made from an exceptionally tough elastomer that resists punctures and tears. This ensures your repairs will stand up to wear and tear. Unlike other adhesives, it's formulated to work with vinyl. It contains a special inhibitor that prevents the adhesive from becoming gummy or losing its bond. The transparent patch blends seamlessly with any color. Plus, it's UV resistant, preventing yellowing over time. It offers instant adhesion with no sewing, glue, or mess. Simply apply it and you're done. The kit comes with various patch sizes, reinforcement filament, alcohol prep pads, and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything you need for a perfect repair. What we like. It provides a long-lasting, reliable repair without the mess of glue. It's also UV resistant, preventing yellowing over time. This makes it perfect for those who want a clean, durable, and long-lasting solution. If you value a clean and durable repair that will last, this is for you. What people say. It's been in use for 3 to 4 weeks now with no issues. Patchwork looks great. This patch material exceeded my expectations by successfully repairing a significant cut in a tube. Taking the gamble paid off big time, saving us more than $100 on a replacement tube for just $10. It even covered a hole in our vinyl pool. Simple application with an easy peel and stick application. Best to follow instructions for proper adhesion capabilities. Number 2. PVC Stitch Repair Kit. Say goodbye to frustrating tears and holes. This heavy-duty kit is perfect for patching up all your inflatable and PVC gear, making repairs quick and easy. It's simple. Just clean the area, apply the sealant evenly, and let it dry. No other patches or mesh are needed for small rips and tears. It's a permanent patch that's water, UV, heat, and cold resistant. It works on a wide variety of materials, from air mattresses to pool liners. This kit is ideal for repairing inflatable boats, air mattresses, pools, hot tubs, and much more. It's your all-in-one solution for outdoor gear repairs. The kit includes a 20 ml tube of sealant and a mesh cord. It has a shelf life of 2 years and should be stored at room temperature. It will not work on nylon. What we like. This liquid sealant creates a permanent, waterproof patch. It's incredibly easy to apply, even in the field. No need for extra patches or mesh. If you need a strong, permanent repair for your inflatable items, this is the ideal solution. What people say. Great to use. Used it to patch my air mattress that had 2 pinholes. Very simple to use and to apply. Clean with some alcohol and applied glue on the hole and let dry. Also did one with the mesh the same way. 2 hours and it's time to sleep. 3 weeks and still going strong. Great product. I used PVC Stitch to repair one 2-log tear in a Serta Easy Bed inflatable mattress. The adhesive was easy to apply, and was quickly absorbed through the mesh, wetting the substrate without creating air pockets. It skinned over within a couple minutes without sags or runs. I allowed the repair undisturbed to cure for 24+ HRS prior to inflating. Much to my surprise, the cured repair feels tough and flexible, is fully fused to the underlying material, and doesn't leak. Impressive. This adhesive was super simple to use, simply clean surface to be bonded with rubbing alcohol and apply the adhesive. Nothing more. The instructions are very clear in saying that you should not manipulate the adhesive in any way, just let it settle naturally. I did what they said and got an amazingly clean look, transparent, that is flexible, completely unaffected by water and not damaged by the sun either. This repair has held for a number of weeks now and it has been completely unaffected by the rough play. This stuff is awesome. Number 1. 10 Legend 20 Pack TPU Patch Kit. This kit is perfect for patching up all your inflatable fun. It's durable, reliable, and easy to use. Made from high-strength TPU, it's waterproof, high-temperature resistant, and boasts strong adhesion. It's transparent and built to last. It can repair small tears or leaks in a wide range of inflatables, from swimming pools to inflatable toys. It's also great for tents, canvas, and more. Simply clean the area, apply the patch, and press firmly. It's that simple. You get 20 patches, each measuring 2.7 by 2.7 inches, and 2 deflate tubes for quick deflation. Patches can be cut to fit any size hole. With this kit, you can quickly and easily repair your favorite inflatables and keep the fun going. Get yours today. What we like. These patches are incredibly durable and suitable for a wide variety of repairs. They're also incredibly easy to apply, simply stick them on. If you need a simple, effective solution for various inflatable items and other materials, this is a great option. What people say. These work fantastically. We patched our pool with them. We have an inflatables bounce house, quite large. Our cat popped a hole in it, these patches fixed it right up. These patches were purchased to fix a small pinhole in our air bed. Even though I buffed the area with acetone, the patch didn't stick properly. I have an above-ground pool that got many holes in it during a move, some even half-inch gashes. I put one on the inside and one on the outside of the pool where the holes were, and I've had the pool up for 6 weeks now and not a leak has been seen. I followed instructions exactly as written. Make sure you really press down the patch and rub it to adhere it strongly. Let it sit for quite a while before you get it wet. These patches are incredibly thick and durable, they are extremely high quality. Probably the best patches I have ever seen. Super easy to use. Absolutely impressed with these. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.